Hi everyone, I'm Zoe. I am a traditional Chinese medicine nutritionist and chef from Shanghai. But now I'm in my studio in Brooklyn, and today we're going to make a ghee millet porridge that's really good for our digestion and to moisten our skin if we're experiencing some dryness. So today, the ghee is sponsored by a company called Fouth and Heart. I am going to use our 5 Seasons throat soothing tonic. Millet. Then we're using corn and pine nuts. So let's get started with cooking. Before you do anything, look at this. I'm basically steeping the tonic bag in hot water for around 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can see it turns into this darker color. It means it's ready, and we're going to use this as the liquid for our dish today. Okay, so I am just going to turn on the fire. Again, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of ghee. Oh, look at this luscious color and texture. It looks like a lot of, oil, but that's kind of the feeling that we're going for here. Okay. Now I have that, I'm going to put some corn in there. And then a little bit of pine nuts. Half a cup of millet. These have already been washed and rinsed. Alright, as you can see, like all the excess water from the millet has kind of went away, disappeared a lot, and this will be the time to add in our tonic that we were making before. So I added half a cup of millet, and I'm going to add around 2 cups to start with, 2 cups of tonic. And also I'm just going to add a little bit of honey, like around 1 tablespoon, just to have the flavor in there to develop. You can see this consistency is just what I need in life right now. Yes. Now that we're ready, I'm just going to plate it. Fantastic. No more garnish needed, just as simple as this is. In the morning, you can easily just reheat, add a little bit, maybe nut milk to it, then